back again with another little vlog. Early in the morning, got that cold start running on Buck and Radar. Cold start time over with. We got Melrose loaded on that bike. I'm finna head down here. I'm just knocking my little polar bumper fellas off, boy. Finna head down here to Glen, man, see what's going on with good old Melrose. See what's going on with good old Melrose, man. I don't know what that girl got going on, but she need to shave bike, get that right. And hopefully Glenn can put on my guy dog on when she told me to bring it, so I'm gonna see how that goes. I'm finna get inside this damn truck, but it is freezing, 42 degrees out here, boy. True Floridian. I don't like this weather. Even though I stayed up there in Tallahassee, man, it always took me at least like a good month to warm up to the cold weather. So, bear with me, man. I don't know what makes me more upset is when I'm recording, when I'm recording, and I went a whole 2 minutes with just straight talking, and then I gotta sit up here and turn the record button back on. On top of that is when you trying to pay for your gas at the pump and the thing say transaction has been canceled, so you go inside and have to pay for your gas, and they gotta walk all the way back out here. Usually, I don't never go inside. I just move to another pump, or I don't get gas at that gas station, dog. But since I got the trailer and somebody want to take up the pump down there to damn load up, to fill up a damn go-kart, I gotta catch the one at the end over here, and then I gotta walk in the inside. What? Don't nothing grinds my gears like that crap in the morning. Just touched down at Glen. Ended up figuring out why this fan right here had ended up burning up, but the other one didn't. This one right here is on the relay, I believe, but it doesn't have a fuse. So they just gotta fix that part. As far as the fuel pump issue, I really don't know. I really couldn't even tell y'all, man. It's so wired, so doggone crazy. I'm to the point where I'm about to just snatch the whole motor out and probably end up just rewiring everything up underneath here, because boy, this is crazy. So now Glenn got to sit here and trace down which wires for the fuel pump so we can go ahead and get that situated. Just found out that my alternator is eating up my belt. The fan is missing two teeth. So that's a bunch of shit. Yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on right now, man. All right, y'all, so we figured out what the issue is. Damn, fuel pump don't went bad up in Melrose. I don't know if it was the music or what, but man, it's here crazy. I gotta order another inline fuel, and not inline, but in-tank fuel pump. All right, man, so y'all know I try to keep y'all in the loop with everything that goes on. Pulled up over here at Glen. They ended up figuring out what's the issue with Melrose, man. But it's kind of like what we on right now, man. Glen is in there trying to find me an in-tank fuel pump to replace the one that I got. And I think the other dude is up underneath the hood now connecting a new relay. And then he's also gonna put it like on some type of temp thing, so my fans will kick on like at a certain temp. Well, I thought this was gonna be like one of those, hey, let me just drop the car off and then turn around and hit the road again, boy, but there's always something with these old schools. I really don't know if the music had anything to play a part in or why my fuel pump had went bad. I don't know, but then it could be, I don't think it's that. I don't think it's because of that. I don't think it's the music, man. But Glenn over here taking care of me now. Again, I'm still beefing with Mike, so I don't want to talk to Mike right now. And that's how we just gonna rock out, man. Bo's supposed to be pulling up in a few because he got the same issue going on with his car, so they gonna go on ahead and check out his car as well. So while I wait on parts, went ahead and picked up both. Like I told y'all, man, same issue going on. Both finna go ahead and get taken care of. A slight thing, man. Over here at Glen. Be catching, man. Glen got all the toys over here, man. ATV, side-by-side, golf cart. I need that golf cart, man. The golf cart? Yeah, I need that bit. Hey. And it's red. Listen, we're going to put it on the back of the 2500 when we go to car shows, man. We're going to go to Joyce and go get them seats wrapped. Go to Brown, go get that Melrose touch on them. Glen sticking, boy. Glen over there sticking with it, man. But yeah, man, these damn cars, dog. These cars, man. I'm like Glen, not Glen. Glen say he hate cars, man. He hate cars, but yet, this is what he on. Oh, boy, what's that? Supercharger? Boy, got supercharged on that thing? All right, now.
But that thing too, put them things on.
Skirt. No break. That man about to wreck out, boy. They were just waiting on Glen to take care of a patch right here. Then I'm going ahead and get both situated bad, Bo in, man. Bo just done went on a whole little tour. Park it. Hey, I'm getting better. I'm getting better and better, man. I'm getting better and better, man. Well, I could have made it all the way up in there now. Man, you can't be an owner of a logistics company, dog, and you don't know how to bag no trailer, boy. Boy, you doing some bad work there, boy. Whoa, man. Somebody call out on me, man. I'm a damn sure get on that truck, boy. I'm gonna make it do what they do. I ain't gonna lie, boy. Flip a hit, man. Flip a hit, man. Oh, okay, now. Well, flashback for him, man. You sitting right here. What you say? What you say, man? Oh, see, you see it. You see it.
Go down there right here, man.
You better go on that, man.
In the 80s. My dog, you know, I'm at my shop. This my shop, man. At my shop. This is my shop.
Right here. Right here.
Let's see me at my shop.
Alright, man, so we about to go ahead and drop flip all to the crib, bring Melrose back, and parts should be in. Parts should be in tomorrow. Get Melrose back on the road so we can hang out this weekend, man. Oof. flipper looking good. Well, I don't know, man. I might throw my little thing-a-lands on, man. I can't squat right now because that rear end ain't done, but ooh. All right, y'all. Gotta head back, man. I ain't got some shit, boy. But before we leave, boy, I gotta let y'all hear this. Damn, Trailblazer. Shot. I don't know why they got it just running like that. Like somebody work truck. Well, hold on now. But this shit daily slider, boy.